Welcome to the V1200HD Still Store, Freeze Frame, and Saving Projects tutorial. First thing we're going to show you how to do is do a freeze frame. So in the video structure, hit the Post Process button, and what that's going to do is it's going to give my output buses, my SDIs 1 through 6. So I'm going to show you both windows at the same time. So I'm going to take SDI output 2, which is B2. That is my program 1ME. All I have to do is hit freeze. And then I select a still that I want to store it to, maybe still 4. Hit enter and hit execute. Now that's done. Make sure you turn freeze off. And then I go back into my still 1. And I can assign it now to still 4, that freeze frame that I just showed you. All right, so now it's done. Okay, next let's show you how to load still images. So I'm going to select the still button here. I'm going to hit load. And the first thing I'm doing is I'm loading it from a flash drive. So the flash drive, you want to make sure your file is 1920 by 1080 resolution, as well as you want it to be a bitmap file, Windows bitmap, or a PNG type file. So I hit load, still. I choose my selection. Now I hit V1200 HD bitmap. I hit OK. And now I'm going to go to my video setup. Hit still. And now I'm going to select 6. I'm going to hit OK. Now let's take a look at my preview bus. And notice that I have the still image under still 6. That's the rear of the V1200. So that's how easy it is to load and store still images from a flash key. Next, let's show you how you save your switcher settings to a USB flash key. So step number 1, connect an HDMI cable to the Multiview 2 output. Step number 2, press the menu button on the front panel of the V1200. Here's the menu window where you can save, save as, and delete projects. So on the front panel of the HD switcher, you have a menu, an enter, a decrease, and an increase button. So all you do is hit the enter button. If you want to save a project, I have 2 projects, July 2016 to July 2016. So now I want to do a save as. So I simply go down to save as, hit enter, and now I can scroll through until maybe I want to get to version 3. So I hit enter, and then I just hit the increase button, and now it's at version 3. And I switch all the way over to the save button. I hit enter, and hit enter again to execute it. And now it stores all my V1200 switcher settings to a USB flash key.